everyone and welcome to Life Simplified. Did you know that due to its widespread popularity, English is the third most spoken language worldwide? Wait, did you think that English is the most spoken language worldwide? Well, it just notches a rank above Hindi. However, when it comes to the number of countries which accept English as one of the language of communication, English tops the chart with about 50 countries in its list. And that sheer number opens up a plethora of career opportunities if you know English. Using an app to learn spoken English not only makes learning fun and interactive, it also makes learning possible while on the go. Not only that, using an app helps you track the progress of your learning over time. So without further ado, let's get into knowing top 3 free apps to help you master your spoken English. The first app that we are going to discuss today is called Duolingo. Not only this app is absolutely free to use and is compatible with both iOS and Android device, it boasts a consistent good rating with more than 100 million plus downloads. So let me show you a quick demo of how this app works. Once you download the app and select language to learn as English, the interface automatically changes to Hindi. The app is user-friendly and is designed in a manner that it makes learning English as simple as playing a game. Like in any game, it begins at simple level, so you begin by learning simple words before progressing to sentence formation tasks. Exercises like match the Hindi words with its English meaning makes learning enjoyable.
Is my small car.
Then there are
Your.
exercises to
My
translate
house is
English
small.
sentences to Hindi to check your understanding and vice versa to help improve sentence formation skills.
My car is small.
The app has interactive voice helping you master pronunciations as well. As you progress, the level gets tougher to match learning with your progress. So I hope you found the demo of Duolingo interesting. The next app in the list is called Talk English app, and like Duolingo, this app is also a free to use app. So let's get into a short demo to understand this app better. Like Duolingo, this app too lets you choose conversation style depending on your current expertise. So you can choose between beginner and business English conversation. Now within this there are a variety of categories and subcategories to opt from. So I choose about news and celebrity marriage as the subcategory. Now let's listen to this conversation carefully.
Did you hear about Gina Taylor? Yeah, I can't believe she's getting a divorce already. I know. She just got married last month. I thought they would get divorced after 1 year. Celebrities never stay married. This actually shouldn't be big news.
Short and sweet, right? The next step is to check your understanding by answering a small quiz as you can see on the screen. And now comes the extremely interesting part to practice the conversation. Now here you can choose your character and conversation partner. So since I choose Jemmy as my conversation partner, the app will prompt her dialogues and I will speak Kim's dialogues. Let me show you how that works.
Did you hear about Gina Taylor?
Yeah, I can't believe she's getting a divorce already.
I know. She just got married last month.
I thought they would get divorced after 1 year.
Celebrities never stay married.
This actually shouldn't be big news. Fun, isn't it? Well, the fun doesn't stop here. In the next step, you get to record this conversation and save it to help you track progress over time. So I hope you found the demo helpful and the app interesting. So now let's move on to the third app. One way to master English is to watch a lot of video content, and I have suggested that in my previous videos as well. Cake app lets you do that exactly. So let's get into a short demo to understand Cake app. Cake app is full of interesting videos. Once you open the app, you get two tabs on the top. today, and subscription. Today takes you to videos flashed for the day to help you learn some interesting phrases. Let's say we choose this Peppa Pig video to watch and learn from this fun conversation.
Please turn off the water.
Oh, no need to panic. No need to panic. No need to panic.
So, no need to panic, which is the key phrase, gets repeated thrice to help you memorize.
Oh dear, everyone is wet.
At least the car has been washed.
We've all been washed.
Like in Talk app, once you've heard the video, it's time to test your speaking skills. Let me show you how.
No need to panic.
No need to panic.
Super! The app has rated my pronunciations as A. The next challenge is to test your listening skills. So you need to type in words you hear in the video, like you can see in the screen.
Daddy Pig, please turn off the water. Daddy Pig, please turn off the water.
No need to panic. No need to panic.
Oh dear, everyone is wet. Oh dear, everyone is wet.
Super fun, right? You keep adding points for correct answers. So this was the today section of the app. Now let me take you to the subscription section, and this part works pretty similar to YouTube. You can choose to subscribe to channels of your interest to watch more videos of your choice. The panel below has a tab called Speak with a mic icon that allows you to practice speaking. Let me show you a demo by choosing a topic called Making Plans. So let's learn a new expression for accepting an invitation. Watch this.
How do you respond when people invite you to a party? Do you say, "That's great," or "That's a good idea"? In the following dialogue, you will learn a great expression you can use next time someone invites you to do something fun. Listen carefully.
I'm so bored. Let's do something fun.
What about karaoke?
I'm down.
Once you hear the conversation and grasp the expression, you get to practice and the app rates you bases your recording.
I'm so bored. Let's do something fun.
What about karaoke?
I'm down.
Yay, I got an A again. So that's it for today's video. If you liked my video, do give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to put in your comments in the comment section below. Till we meet next, stay tuned to Life Simplified.